The Korea AeroSpace Administration has announced that the fourth launch of the country's homegrown Nuri space rocket will take place on November 27th from the country's Naro Space Center in Goheung in South Jeolla Province.
한국형 발사체 누리호의 4번째 발사가 오는 11월 27일 전라남도 고흥에 위치한 나로우주센터에서 진행될 예정이라고 우주항공청이 발표했습니다. Alright, so good news when it comes to space exploration and efforts in that field. Tell us more.
Yeah, so space is the new frontier, definitely.
Sure.
So it's set for November 27th, so that's next month. And the launch, it's carrying a next generation mid-sized satellite as its main payload. Will lift off from the Naro Space Center in Goheung between 12:54 a.m. and 1:14 a.m. And of course, the exact time will be confirmed the day before. You have to take a look at the weather conditions on that day. And a backup window has been scheduled from November 28th to December 4th. In addition to the main satellite, the rocket will carry 12 smaller satellites expected to arrive at the Space Center by the end of this month.
This rocket launch is going to be held in the wee hours of the day, very early or late, depending on how you look at it.
Yeah, and according to the Korea AeroSpace Administration administrator, they said that it will be the first Nuri launch since the agency's establishment, and they pledged careful preparation to ensure its success.
메인 새틀라이트 주 궤도를 감안해서 발사 시간이 이렇게 새벽 시간대네요. 새벽 1시 정도에 발사가 될 것으로 예상이 되는 그런 이제 누리호입니다. 밤에 발사하는 거는 또 처음이라고.
Yeah, it is the first time. Yep.
그래요. 자, 누리호는 homegrown space rocket인데요.
Yep.
What is a homegrown thing?
So we use this word when something has been made with our own, so Korea's own technology.
Yeah.
So it means that it belongs to one's own particular locality or country. But when we say like homegrown produce, it can also mean that it's been grown or produced in, it could be your own garden or it could be your country as well.
Literally grown somewhere, right? 그래요. 식물 같은 경우에는 정말 이제 내 집에서 재배하고 기른 그런 식물이 될 수도 있고 아니면은 그냥 우리나라의 자국의 뭐뭐뭐 할 때도 homegrown. So it could be a homegrown rocket, a homegrown person, like a sports star, for example. The homegrown can be used in various situations to talk about things or people. What about to take place?
To take place, so it means to happen or to occur, especially when we're talking about something that's in a deliberate, controlled, or organized sort of way, or it can mean to come into being.
To take place. 그러면 뭔가가 진행된다라는 뜻이 있죠. So this space launch will take place on November 27th. It will happen on November 27th. Well, here's the headline again. The Korea AeroSpace Administration has announced that the fourth launch of the country's homegrown Nuri space rocket will take place on November 27th from the country's Naro Space Center in Goheung in South Jeolla Province.